This is our second pier, and yeah, look, it's a lot busier than Brighton was, I think.
It's busier than we thought it was going to be, but yeah, that is good. Wristbands are 30 quid on the day or 22.50 online.
Yeah.
They do carer stuff, but if you're with a carer, then they can only do rides that you're going on. So if you're not doing the rides, I don't think you can do a carer. So
no, the carer can't go on if you don't want to do the ride. Yeah, which is fair. It's so busy in here though today, it's crazy. The good weather has brought a lot of people out. Crazy golf on the team have gone. We brought mum and dad with us again on a day outing. She's got it. Oh! What the hell's just happened there? All in one?
Well, I know what hole to go in.
Yeah, but I don't think we've done too many crazy golfs where a view is like that. So once you've done all 18 holes, yes, 18 holes, you have the bonus hole where you need to get in the middle for a free game. Right, Haley's been good at the... Oh, no, none of us. So they have actually got a map. Here is your map. Lots of rides and the Pinfari. Also, what they're doing this year, Clacton Pier. That looks like a really good new event. Can't wait to explore that this year on the 18th of October. Clacton Pier, Hayley, definitely coming to that one, I think. Looks decent.
100%.
Absolutely. 100%. Yeah, electric go-karts. We're going to have a go now, me and Hayley. Oh, we're off. What way round do we go? Oh. Oh, it is so busy here on Clacton Pier. The good weather is bringing everybody out. Obviously, I am there for the Pinfari. Obviously, last time we came to Brighton Pier, they had a Pinfari, the exact same model, and yeah, it was getting lots of work done. But this one is working. Also got a lovely waltzers around there. Let's look at the train. It just sounds rough, doesn't it? It just sounds rough. So this Pinfari is called the Looping Star. Yeah, we'll get on it, take you around on the POV, hopefully you'll get a front row and yeah, see what it's like. It's my first Pinfari with a loop. Here's a look at the control panel with a loop. Oh! Yeehaw! Oh! So I just come off a Looping Star and it lived up to its name. It's one of the roughest coasters, I think. I think it literally jarred my neck slightly, but it was good fun. It wasn't as bad as I thought, to be fair. I'd probably say even Odyssey was probably worse headbanging anyway. But it's a good fun ride actually. It's just very busy today. Everybody's coming in because of the sun, I think. It's very, very busy. So I don't know how many rides we'll do. They've also got a caterpillar ride. I am not doing it. It's not happening. I'm sorry, I'm not getting the cred. I mean, look at her face on it. It's a mouse. It's actually called the Crazy Mouse, but yeah. Have a little gift souvenir shop. You could buy a book, the first 150 years of Clacton Pier. Also talking about the history of Clacton Pier. Although they have got a Pinfari Looping Star, they also in the 80s had a aerodynamics coaster. Yes, you heard right. I think it closed in 1985, so not many people are going to remember it. But one of the other reasons why we're actually here tonight is because it's actually fireworks at the end of the pier. So we thought we'd come down, bank holiday weekend, have a look at the fireworks and jump on some rides. And must admit, I don't think we'll be jumping on too many rides tonight, but we'll do a few. There is obviously a log flume here. Then you might get mildly moist on. But I just wanted to point out that this here, the bumper boats, is where they used to actually house killer whales. husk it, mildly moist, quite chilly tonight, and I didn't bring a jumper. I'll pass. We're on the big wheel now. Here at Clacton Pier, just outside the entrance actually. Hayley, Clacton Pier, it's okay, isn't it? It is very busy today though.
It is horrific.
It is busy. I don't want to dwell on it too much, but we have had a bit of a disaster day even getting here. Lots of traffic, shall we say. So yeah.
2.5 hours sat on the 811.
12.
812.
812. There was a really bad accident. No one's fault, it's what it is. But yeah, lovely view. Yeah, this Pinfari actually surprised me, I'm not going to lie, it wasn't actually as rough in places. Like the loop here, that was actually fairly smooth. It was the twist coming down the first drop, that really, and then you go into a turn, that really did whip my neck around. Yeah, I don't think it actually shows you, they also have a waltzer here. I don't think it has any spinners on it, but yeah, lovely waltzer. So we're now actually on the beach, ready for the fireworks that's going to take place on the end of the pier. They do these throughout the year. Make sure you check out their website for the latest fireworks. But yeah, there's some now. I think there's some in a month's time. Best place to watch them probably is at the end of the pier, but it's very busy. So yeah, we'll just come on a nice sandy beach and watch the fireworks. We'll show you highlights now. There we go, there were the free fireworks here at Clacton Pier. Yeah, no, we've had a really good day here. Good value.
Also, I have done, just a quick, I have done some more research because I wasn't really clued up earlier because I'm not doing most of the rides. So, carer, they work with Nimbus. You can get a carer wristband, but obviously if you're going on it, your carer has to go on. They can't go on a ride without you. However, they do have a digital access pass as well, which is basically their version of ride access that I understand. So we'll leave your link below and you can double check yourself.
Yes. Yeah, free fireworks throughout the year. Make sure you check their website. I'll leave the link in the description below for that as well. And yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We shall see you on our next adventure. Bye.